everybody, this is Jamie here from Midnite Tech. Today I'll be sharing with you my video on the unboxing of the Samsung S21 Ultra together with all the accessories that came along with my pre-order bundle. I hope my video is useful for you, and if you like it, please do give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.
Here goes, folks. So I've got my Samsung S21 Ultra in the Phantom Silver. This comes with a 256 gig memory and 12 gig RAM, which was really the only option that I could choose on the Massive's website. But Samsung Malaysia has brought in both the 512 and 256 gig RAM option. As you can see, the box is pretty thin. The much debated topic on the internet where Samsung has followed Apple's footstep by not including the charging adapter and cable as part of the phone.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
This is the Phantom Silver. Wow. So this is a 6.8 inch display, and let's see. So it's really powerful cameras. They've got the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 108 megapixel wide angle, and also 10 megapixel telephoto camera. And for those of you who love selfie, good news for you, there is a 40 megapixel selfie camera here. The display is a dynamic AMOLED 2X. It comes with a Gorilla Glass on the front and the back, and this is the strongest, most Gorilla Glass to date. And the good news is, for those of you who actually like the pen feature, S21 Ultra is the only model in the S21 series that is the S Pen compatible. I don't have one that comes with the phone. If you can leave your comments below and let me know if I should get a S Pen to go with my new phone. I'd like to hear what you think. So something that I think is worthwhile to mention here is, as you can see, this is where the SIM card bracket is. This pop out to put in your SIM card, and your audio output hole is right next to it. So please be careful not to put your injection pin into the wrong hole and risk damaging the audio output. And in fact, this is actually seems to be something that Samsung has thought about as well. It's sort of put a reminder here with a sticker on the back that you do not put the injection pin on the wrong hole. So the camera is on the top left corner of the phone, and it's slightly jutting out, as you can see the design. But Samsung still managed to design the phone quite beautifully. I love the chrome finishing on the sides, and even though that it is jutting out, there's a really nice flow to it without looking awkward. It's pretty cool and sleek. After you peel off the protective sticker from the screen, I discovered that the phone comes with a screen protector that's already pre-sticked in the box. It's done very well, you barely notice it. The Samsung S21 Ultra comes with two different processors variant. One is the Exynos 2100 and the other one is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. For Malaysia, we are getting the Exynos variant. This is the earphones that came with the pre-order bundle. It comes in three colors: black, phantom violet and phantom silver. And they've included phantom silver to match my phone. This is currently going for RM799 in the market. The battery is said to last up to 8 hours without the active noise cancellation feature, and 5 hours with the ANC turned on. The charging case also has 13 hours of battery life, so you can get up to 20 hours on this. The active noise cancellation feature is said to filter up to 99% of the disturbance, and like the Apple, it comes with the transparency mode, the ambient feature, and it's also said that it is smart enough to detect the wearer's voice, and it will lower down the volume for you to be able to have a full conversation without removing your earphones. It also comes together in the box, the cable, charging cable, and a really small box of little rubber earbuds replacement. Oh, how cute. It also comes with a spatial effect where it recognizes where you turn your head to give you the feel of the 360 audio. And you can also use the Find Earbuds feature via the Galaxy Wearable app. I think this is a pretty sleek looking earphones. This is the last item that comes with the pre-order bundle, Samsung Wireless Charger Trio. Currently, this is going for RM399. This is essentially a 2+1 wireless charger where you can fit up to 2 phones at one go, and you can put your Galaxy Watch here and also your wireless earphones as well. So it's a USB-C output here. The wireless charger is fast charging, and it comes with an adapter and a USB-C cable. Great, which means that I do not need to go out and get a separate charger. Fantastic. This is a C to C cable, and this is the adapter. Nice. So which means that for users who are worried about not having an adapter and a charger and have managed to place an order during the pre-order period, this works out just great for them. And so you can opt to use the adapter directly with your phone, or you can put it onto the wireless charger pad, which looks pretty cool. So this is the other item that comes with the pre-order bundle, the Samsung Smart Tag. So it comes in 2 variations, the Smart Tag and Smart Tag Plus. One uses the Bluetooth technology, the other one uses the ultra wideband to locate your items. This Smart Tag sells for RM119, and you can get it for as low as RM79 during the pre-order period. There is 2 main functions for this Smart Tag. Primary one is to actually locate your lost items, so you can actually place this on your pets, your handbag, phone, something precious, and you can actually locate up to 120 meters. And should this be out of range, if this is already synced up to the Smart Things app, you can also find out its last location. The Smart Tag can also help you to control your IoT devices, those that are linked together in your Smart Things app, and you can actually use the button here to control the lights and whatever appliances that you have on the Smart Things app. It's pretty cool.